Woo! What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing end to your Wednesday. Today was a crude oil report, and there was no question that although the report for crude oil was today, and let me tell you, it was a report to remember. This was where crude oil was trading. This was the drop that we experienced. And just like I posted, I did a recap video. I took a $1,500 loss on dgaz. And I talked about, again, my daily goal is $500 profit every single day. Unfortunately, one of the things that ended up happening was that just there was a quick change of direction, and what I ended up having to do was I unfortunately had to end up cut losses on dgaz, and because of that, let me go ahead and just show you right on over here. So I ended the day at $881 in the red. So I did make up about $600 back. I was at one point only down $600. I took another trade. Things began to go south on UGAZ, and I gave back about $250. I still did a good job managing my risk on that trade. Again, you win some, you lose some, but I feel like I still did a pretty decent job on that trade, not giving too much back. So yes, it does suck. It is a red day, but again, it's less than $1,000, and it puts me back green on the week. And then on top of that, it is a little end to the overall green week streak. So one of the things that I want to quickly cover, and I don't want to take too much of your guys' time, is why is natural gas selling off? You guys can Google search this. I just wanted to make it super clear and simple, especially right before the natural gas report tomorrow. If you're unfamiliar with this, Google search it, YouTube search it. Natural gas report on schedule, right? If there's no holidays, comes out every single Thursday, 1 hour after the market opens. One of the things that we've been experiencing is, although we did have the crude oil report today, there is no question that although natural gas was showing signs of a quick little recovery, things really began to go south, and this is where I was able to make a majority of my money back. I took a position on dgaz when things began to go south for natural gas. Dgaz shot up, I locked in profits, but natural gas just continued to sell off. What is going on with natural gas? If you click on the news option for /NG, it will be made super clear to you that, again, if you're familiar with the different things that influence natural gas, right? It's the inventory report, which is every Thursday. That's tomorrow. And on top of that is the overall expectation. Weather forecasts have a huge just influence on the overall idea or expected demand for natural gas, if that makes sense. Again, if the overall expectation of natural gas or the overall consumption of natural gas continues to go up due to colder weathers, then natural gas demand will go up, prices will go up, but that has definitely not been the case. And if you guys check out any of the reports that were released today about natural gas, is that the weather is expected to remain above normal for the next 8 to 14 weeks. This means that demand is not really going to change for the next 8 to 4 weeks, which means that we could still continue to see a bearish run on natural gas, which has a negative influence on UGAZ. One of the things, and the reason that I'm making this video, is I just want to make sure that you guys have the proper mindset approaching this natural gas report. I never actually traded the report. I don't try to guess which one's going to go up, which one's going to go down. These are inventory reports. I like to trade the reaction. So if we understand, now that we all do, why natural gas is selling off, I am, like I've said, a day trader. I take it day by day, and I have a big focus on direction. If natural gas continues to sell off, I'm not going to struggle to try to find the bottom of natural gas. I will simply make sure that I go with the flow. I allow an opportunity to present itself. And if natural gas sells off and dgaz goes up when natural gas sells off, then that's where my focus is going to be. So again, I just want to make sure that we have the proper mindset, that we don't rely on hopeful trades that were really focused on the direction that we're aware of the different factors besides just technicals that are having a positive or negative influence on natural gas. So we end up having a better edge on the market. So simply wanted to share that with you guys. I know that it's pretty late, especially if you're in the East Coast. Just wanted to drop on in. I wanted to give you guys a quick little update on my overall account. I think it's pretty cool that I was able to make back some of the money that I lost in the very early morning session. Again, I still ended it red, but I did my part in trying to slowly recover. So I hope that I earned your thumbs up in this video. I hope that you guys are excited for the natural gas report tomorrow. Again, stay patient, be selective. Don't ever trade based off anyone else's opinion. Make sure that you have some form of plan. And again, learning from my mistake today, I was trading during the pre-market session. There was a quick change of direction and I was in too heavy with a position and I should have done a better job managing my risks. So again, if the direction is not super clear, do not put yourself fully invested in a position as things can begin to go south. And if you kind of hesitate to manage your risk and things really begin to drop, it's very quick that you'll end up seeing your account go from green to red. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. Wish you guys an amazing and blessed day. We will see you tomorrow for the natural gas report. For all those that are part of Learn, Plan, Profit, I am traveling to Arkansas tomorrow, so I will not be live, but I'll try to post updates as I can as I'm traveling from Arizona to Arkansas. So I'm going to be on 2 different flights tomorrow. Thank you guys again for your time. I really hope that I earned your thumbs up. Don't forget to join our free investing group. It's going to be the first link down below. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.